because of the known availability of sufficient manpower,
Yes.
the election commission was compelled to take up persons from the outside the state.
Yes, special
That
officers.
might
Yes,
throw
yes.
something,
Yes.
observer,
Micro observers.
whatever.
Yes, yes,
But during the course of hearing last time,
yes.
verbally.
We indicated that we would.
Yes.
We have given them the particulars of 8,505 officers. We've arranged it, and I'll just hand over. So just give the note.
Because
Just
what
the
will
note.
happen is
Sorry.
that suppose a person from Delhi.
Yes.
Or Rajasthan or Punjab origin, suppose he goes there.
Yes.
He will not be able to understand this mismatching.
Yes, so
issue.
that's one thing. And the second element is, of course, also, my lords, on respect of jurisdiction, which we'll come to. But if your lordship just takes up this supplementary note, which I've just handed, just to respond to the, yeah, just give this. This is exactly to answer your question. Give it to the other side. Give it to the other side. Page 6, my lords, page 6. Please go to, yeah, this is the email of 7th of February, which was on Saturday. In terms of the observations made by the Honorable Court during the hearing of the captioned matter on 4th of February 2026 and under instructions of the government of the state of West Bengal, please note that West Bengal is ready and willing to make available 8,505 number of Group B officers.
This mail is being sent on 7th February.
Yes, it was on the weekend, my lords. It was on the weekend, but we had to get the available officers. All the particulars are given. Because we have not burdened the record here with the individual names, but they have been supplied with the individual names.
Have you sent the list of these 8,000 something?
Yes, yes, yes.
Have you received this list?
Yes. So, my lord, your lordship will see the
Kindly see the next
district-wise.
page. In the same note, kindly see the next page.
Yes, the next page.
This is what they say the detail.
District-wise indicative list of number of Group B officers who can be made available, and we've particularized the names. The names are given and were sent.
See, because how, that is the whole problem.
Yes.
The officers with their full nomenclature, designation and particulars,
Yes.
the names will have to be sent, then only they can take them temporarily on deputation, kind of.
Yes, yes,
That is
yes.
statutory deputation.
That will be furnished. We've given the particulars because we asked them kindly confirm the same at the earliest, whereupon the requisite particulars of these officers shall be shared.
Only number is given, not the names.
No, Minister, the names are fully compiled. If your lordship sees the email at page 6 of this note,
Of which
kindly confirm the same at the earliest. So we furnished the district-wise particulars and we said that you please just confirm the, whereupon the requisite particulars of these officers shall be shared. For further action, so they can be immediately deployed, my lords. These are all made available.
i5 Housing and Properties தேடுத விடுங்க தேர்வு செய்யலாம் வாங்க. Call 9962 557 557.